Chad Gotze with Gotze Ag. We're back in the field this summer with our Agronomy Alert series. Getting a little bit later start this year, just from it's been a really busy May and early June for us as far as helping guys get the crop out of the ground and off to a fast start. So we struggled in May with soil temps, cooler air temps, just never really got consistent weather long enough to get the crop off to a quick start. Once we got into June, we really started finally accumulating some GDDs and really saw the corn start to pop. The last couple weeks have been ideal for corn growth. A lot of nitrogen applied in this time frame. So really corn's starting to look really good and really in the grand scheme of things not far behind normal as far as growing degree days go. So some of the things that we're dealing with this past week, we have a lot of late applications because of the rain the last couple weeks. As far as herbicide goes, so we had a lot of fields that had some late pigweed escapes. Corn was getting big at that V8 stage, so we really started getting nervous about using dicamba over the top because of how fast it was growing and then obviously being off label. So one of the things we wanted to talk about today is this is a pigweed that was 8 to 10 inches tall easily, where we knew we wanted to knock it down a little bit. So this is an example where we went in with some Lotus late, which HPPD herbicide, and just really knocked that pigweed down. Not ideal because of the size of the corn and the weeds, but gave us a little bit of late rescue treatment, if you will, to knock those weeds down a little bit and hopefully keep them in check as we develop canopy. So you can see we're standing in a cornfield that's V10, V11 almost, so almost up to my shoulders. So we're getting complete canopy coverage. So these weeds shouldn't amount to much, but like I said, it was kind of a rescue type treatment. So this is really the last week in a lot of our fields where we're at that V8, even V10 stage where we need to get out and scout for weeds. Any last minute herbicide applications need to be made this week, because we get past this week, really anything else is going to be off label. So with that, we'll kind of wrap it up and follow back up with you next week.